To make the past continuous tense, start with the verb be in the past tense. Use was or were, depending on the subject. And then the main verb followed by ing. For example, the verb work would go here, and if someone asks you, what were you doing yesterday? You could say, I was working. I was working. You were working. He was working. She was working. It was working. On the plural side, you use were. We were working. You were working. And they were working. The past continuous tense begins in the past and ends sometime in the past. So if this is the past here, let's say this is yesterday, and I ask you, what were you doing yesterday? And you say, I was working. This is a continuous activity. Working, 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 and then you stop. To make the negative for the present continuous tense, add not after the verb be. You can say, for example, I was not working, or I wasn't working. You were not working, or you weren't working. The past continuous tense is similar to the past tense. This sentence is in the past continuous tense. It was raining yesterday. This sentence is in the past tense. It rained yesterday. To make this one negative, I just have to add not here. It was not raining, or you could say it wasn't raining. And to make this one negative, you have to add did and not together, and then the main verb in the simple form. It didn't rain yesterday. Compare this in the past tense, it didn't rain yesterday, to it wasn't raining yesterday. Past continuous tense, negative, it wasn't raining. Past tense, negative, it didn't rain. The past continuous tense is often used when some action is interrupted by another action. For example, they were playing soccer when it began to rain. So here we are in the past tense, and playing soccer, playing over a period of time, and then it began to rain. This is some time in the past, began, and this is the continuous action. So this might have been 1 hour of continuous playing, and then suddenly it began to rain. Sometimes the past continuous tense is used for two past actions that are happening at the same time. So for example, I was talking on the phone while I was driving. These two things are happening at the same time. Talking on the phone and driving. This word, while, comes between the two clauses. I was talking on my phone, I was driving. You can also use as. I was talking on my phone as I was driving.